The meeting will begin shortly.
Good afternoon to all of our members joining us online or in our Garfield Heights branch. We have established a quorum and are ready to start the 2026 annual meeting. My name is Cheyenne Blanchette, your moderator for today's meeting. Let's begin in prayer with the Our Father. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. At this time, I wish to introduce OC Federal's Chairman of the Board, Joe Shaft, who will formally call the annual meeting to order.
Good afternoon and welcome to OC Federal Credit Union's annual meeting. My name is Joe Shaft, Board Chairman for OC Federal Credit Union. Another year of success is something we don't take for granted. It's made possible by the loyalty of our members and shared commitment to strong member-owned financial institutions. Thank you for choosing to grow with us and for your continued support as we look ahead to new opportunities and another year of progress. Thank you to all of our members and credit union employees joining us today online or in person at our Garfield Heights main office. We have established a quorum and I call the annual meeting to order. As we reflect on 2025, it was a year shaped by meaningful challenges across the financial sector. Rising interest rates, housing market constraints, and ongoing economic pressures tested institutions nationwide. Despite these headwinds, OC Federal not only remained resilient, but we also delivered a record-breaking year. Our performance in 2025 is a testament to our disciplined strategy, adaptability, and the strength of our cooperative model. In 2025, strong financial performances went hand in hand with continued investment in our members. We introduced new digital tools, including a business mobile application, enhanced fraud prevention services with Positive Pay, and an upgraded consumer loan software to streamline our lending experience. We also launched Ohio CU Financial Services, a wholly owned credit union service organization offering expert guidance in insurance, retirement, and Medicare planning. These efforts supported a historic year for the credit union, marked by record deposit, loan production, and member demand across all sectors. Our strongest growth since 1954. At OC Federal, community service is not an initiative. It is a part of our identity. Through our school supply and food drives supported by Ohio Catholic Foundation, we remain faithful to the Ohio Catholic principles on which the credit union was founded. These efforts allow us to give back in tangible ways to those who need it the most. OC Federal lending sector played a vital role in the credit union's success in 2025. Through continued investment in expertise, leadership, strong external partnerships, the lending platform expanded its reach while maintaining a disciplined and thoughtful approach to growth. These efforts strengthen our ability to meet evolving member needs, supported sustained performance across both consumer and commercial lending. We are now moving to the business portion of our annual meeting. Has everyone had an opportunity to review the minutes from last year? If so, is there a motion to approve the minutes from last year's meeting?
I motion.
Is there a second?
I'll second.
Motion carried. At this time, I want to acknowledge the other board members of OC Federal Credit Union. Scott Wilson, Vice Chair, Anita Simcoe, Secretary, Jim Tawney, Treasurer, and Carmen Angelo, Chris Majori, and Todd Turner, board members. I would also like to acknowledge the members of our Supervisory Committee, Angelo Ciantabello, Chair. At this time, I call for a motion to approve the 2025 annual meeting minutes.
I motion.
Is there a second?
I'll second.
Motion carried, and the 2025 annual meeting minutes are hereby approved. Now we move on to renew our current Board of Directors members who are up for renewal. Todd Turner, Joe Shaft, and Jim Tawney. Having been selected by the nominating committee, the number of nominees equaling the number of positions to be filled are hereby approved to serve on the Board of Directors for another term. Congratulations to you and thank you for your continued service to OC Federal Credit Union. I now invite President and Chief Executive Officer Todd Turner to deliver the State of the Credit Union address.
Thank you, Joe. Good afternoon, everyone. On behalf of the leadership and staff of OC Federal Credit Union, we want to thank you for joining our annual meeting today. Your trust and involvement allow us to thrive, provide essential financial solutions, and community support to our members. It is my privilege to stand before you as your CEO and share the state of our credit union. Let's begin with a look at the broader credit union industry. In 2025, credit unions nationwide continued to experience steady growth. Total assets increased by 2.6%, reaching approximately $2.37 trillion. Loan growth remained positive, rising 3.3% to about $1.65 trillion, while shares in deposit grew 4.5%, totaling roughly $2.02 trillion. These trends reflect the resilience of the credit unions across the country and their ongoing ability to serve members' financial needs. For OC Federal, 2025 was a year of innovation and expanded services designed to meet the evolving needs of our members. We launched the Business Mobile app, providing small and medium-sized businesses with seamless, convenient banking experience. At the same time, we introduced Positive Pay, a new fraud prevention service to better protect our business members. The defining milestone of the year was the launch of Ohio CU Financial, our wholly owned credit union service organization. This expansion allows us to offer members expert guidance and comprehensive suite of financial protection solutions, including insurance, retirement planning, Medicare products. By broadening the range of services available, we're helping members achieve greater financial security and peace of mind beyond traditional banking. Through these initiatives, OC Federal continues to strengthen our commitment to deliver trust, member-focused solutions while supporting the communities we serve. I'm pleased to share that OC Federal significantly outperformed our peer groups across all major categories, including loans, assets, and deposits and membership growth. These results reflect the strong strategic execution, consistent momentum, and the deep trust our members place in us. Most importantly, they demonstrate the strength of our team and our continued commitment to delivering exceptional member-focused service. Building on that strong performance compared to our peers, let's take a look at how the success translated to our overall growth this year. This past year marked meaningful expansion across our balance sheet, driven by healthy lending activity and continued deposit growth. We achieved balanced growth while maintaining disciplined financial management, ensuring that the expansion was both strategic and sustainable. Strong earnings further reinforced our stability and positioned us well for continued progress in the year ahead. Beyond growth alone, it's equally important to evaluate the strength and efficiency beyond those results. Our key financial ratios continue to reflect the strength, resilience, and operational discipline of our organization. We maintain solid capital levels, manage expenses efficiently, and generate strong returns, all of which support the long-term stability. Together, these indicators underscore our sound financial foundation and our commitment to create lasting value for our members. As we look to the future, we remain focused on innovation, service, and financial strength. We will continue to embrace technology, adding new digital applications and software designed to enhance the member experience both internally and externally. These tools will streamline the process, improve accessibility, and provide members with more control over their accounts, making banking with OC Federal even convenient and seamless. Above all, our mission remains steadfast. From our senior leadership to our frontline employees, we are dedicated to serving our community with practical financial solutions and educational support. Our focus is helping every member achieve financial confidence, providing the tools and guidance needed to build a secure and prosperous future. Thank you for placing your trust in OC Federal Credit Union. Together, we are building a stronger, more connected financial community, one member at a time. Recently, we sent an email to our members asking for any questions that would like to be addressed at our annual meeting. I'd like to address several of those now. The first question: with interest rates starting to come down, my wife and I are looking to buy a new home this year. Do you offer mortgages with OC Federal? Well, thank you for your question, Jason. Yes, we have offered mortgages to our members for years and would love to help you and your wife buy a new home. Give our Loan Zone team a call before you start shopping and they can get you pre-qualified. Good luck with your home search. We expect the real estate market to pick up this year. Not all our branches have ATMs. Do you plan on adding additional ATMs? Well, thank you for your question, Jenny. We're considering adding ATMs at the 2 OC Federal locations that do not currently have, but more importantly, we want to provide as many convenient locations across the country for our members to use fee-free. We have registered with MoneyPass and Co-op ATM networks, which collectively provide more than 70,000 fee-free ATM locations nationwide. We will continue to focus on making it convenient for our members to access their money fee-free. The branch manager in Akron told me that OC Federal is a big supporter of education. Do you offer any financial literacy programs for kids? Well, that's an excellent question, Candace. We're extremely proud to continue our support for education with individual scholarships being awarded every year at each of our partner schools. In addition, in 2024, we partnered with Bonsai, a leading provider of financial literacy courses for children of all ages. We make this information available at no cost to each of our partner schools for their students, whether they bank at OC Federal or not, but I hope they bank with us. If your school is not currently a bank and school partner, please reach out to your local branch manager and they can visit your school to speak with the school administration and share benefits of being in a bank and school partnership, both for the school and their students. We value membership feedback. Please keep the questions coming. Thank you for your continued support and membership. Your input helps us guide the decisions we make for the credit union, so thank you for your engagement. At this time, I'll now turn it back over to our chairman, Joe Shaft.
Thank you, Todd. On behalf of the Board of Directors, I wish to thank all members present for joining us this afternoon and taking part in our annual meeting. With all official business concluded, I now adjourn the 2026 OC Federal Credit Union's annual meeting. Have a good evening and God bless.